Hi guys, PB Lucas here and welcome to my channel. In our previous tutorial, we created a simple iMessage application that takes an image and loads it. The image is either sent as a message or sent as a sticker. For this tutorial, we will be taking a look at the MSStickerView class. We will try to change some of its behavior when sending out messages or peeling off stickers. A MSStickerView is a view that contains a UI image view inside, and that image view has two gestures attached to it, as I will show you later. Before we start, I highly recommend watching the previous video regarding how to create a simple iMessage application. In the previous tutorial, you will learn how to create a simple iMessage application. Okay, so let's start digging into the MSStickerView. I mentioned earlier that a MSStickerView contains a image view inside it. So let's open the app that we created in the previous tutorial, which is the iSimple message extension. And then we're going to add a code here in the view.did_load to check if indeed there is an image view inside the sticker view. We will use a for loop. So for view in sticker view, that's views, and then we're going to check if the view that we got is of type UI image view. So to do that, we will need to type in if let image view equal to view as UI image view, and then after getting a reference to the image view, we will change the border to black. So to do that, we will change the layer of the image view and change the border width to 1, and then change the border color to black. UI color black CG color, and then mask it to bounds to true. Let's run the app to see if we indeed got a reference to the image view. So as you can see, we have a reference to the image view, and we changed the border of that view. Changing the behavior of the MSStickerView is pretty much the same. We just need to enumerate all the gestures. So let's do that by typing in for gesture in sticker view gesture recognizers, and then check if that gesture is of type UI tap gesture recognizer. So if let tap gesture equal to gesture as UI tap gesture recognizer, and then we will print tap gesture. Now let's run the app. Now we know that we have a reference to the gesture recognizer. We could either remove or disable the existing one and replace it with our own tap gesture. we will need to create a new function. So let's create one. Function my tap gesture with a tap gesture of type UI tap gesture and print tap. In our case, we will first disable the tap gesture that we got. Enable equals to false, and then create a new one and add it to our existing gesture recognizer list. Okay, so now it's time for us to add it. New tab. Let's run the app and see how it does. You can see now that we successfully replaced our existing tap gesture with our custom one. The next step is to change how the app is loading the sticker. We will change this portion of the code to return just the sticker. Let's create that function. So function sticker MSSticker, then let's copy this portion of the code and we will just return the sticker or return nil if there's an error. Let's modify this portion and check if the sticker is valid. Sticker preview that sticker. Okay, so now we're done with it. Let's change the top function that we created. In our tap gesture recognizer, we're going to check if the tap gesture is recognized. And then we're going to get the existing conversation from our active conversation. So now we will try to get the reference of the sticker from the sticker preview. So we type in if let sticker is equal to sticker view that sticker, and then we will try to send the sticker using the conversation object. So that's conversation that send sticker, and then we will run the app to see what happens. Now every time we tap on the sticker view, nothing happens. But if you tap on the load button, the sticker will be loaded, and after tapping on the sticker, the behavior is pretty much the same as the previous one. We will be changing this behavior and sending the sticker as an attachment. To do that, we must modify this line of code and change it to send attachment. Since we have a reference to the sticker, we can then get a reference to the URL. We will put this as nil and nil. Now we will run the app again to see what happens. Now when we tap on load and load the sticker, and then tapping on the sticker itself, the sticker is sent without going to the text entry. Well, that's it for now, guys. If you want to see more videos, please support my channel. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.